Welcome back to ZFX Trading, and today we're going to be looking at a few pairs for the week ahead. So today we're going to be looking at OUD CAD JPY, USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY, and then finally gold. Okay, so what am I looking for in here? So what am I looking for in here is the market is trending lower. So we're making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. Okay, so what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for the market. Well, we're in a downtrend anyways, which is a good sign. And then what I'm looking for is a break of structure. So what we have here, look, we have broken structure. And now what I'm looking for is candles with big imbalances. So you can see here there's a big imbalance here, a big candle to the downside. So I marked my zone from the last candle of the big push, which is my supply zone. So all I'm going to be waiting for now is the market to retrace back up here to my zone and then reject from it, and then I'll be looking to I'm interested in selling this market. My target for this pair is right here, as you can see, this zone here. Why? Because we have an imbalance here as well, and the price is always seems to come down and fill these imbalances. So that's my target for this pair. So the next pair I'm looking for is CAD JPY. So what am I looking for here? Well, we have broken structures and then a massive push to the upside. I'm looking for candles with big push and huge momentum and with imbalances as well. So as we can see here, this is a 15-minute time frame now. You can see this last candle here, which I marked it here. This is my last candle. So I marked my zone from the last candle of the big push with imbalances, and now I'm expecting the price to come down here, fill those imbalances, and test the supply zone here in order for me to enter this trade. And then I'll be looking for like a confirmation candle engulfing in order for me to enter this trade. And my target for this pair is I'm targeting the previous high. Okay, let's now look at USD and CAD now. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a clean break of structure on the 4 hours. And what am I looking for now? Is a big push to the downside with big, huge momentum candles and with imbalances. So what do we have here now? Is this 30-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame now. And as you can see, just before this candle here, we have a huge momentum candle that's also broken structure as well. And we have left what? Imbalances here, as we can see. So I'm waiting for the price now to come fill those imbalances and test this supply zone or demand zone, and then I'm going to be looking for some sort of confirmation candles in order for me to sell this on the downside. And as for the targets, I am targeting the previous lows. And same goes for the USD and CHF. As we can see, we have a clear break of structure on the 4 hours. Then we have a broken structure as well. And what I'm looking for now is the big momentum candles. And as we can see here, just before this, I marked this here. Look, we have a huge candle with imbalances. And what am I waiting for now is the price to come up, retest this, give us some sort of confirmation candles, and fill these obviously imbalances zone as well. And then as for my targets, I'm looking for the next imbalances here. Look, this is where this is where the price will come to and fill these imbalances or orders. Just keeping it real simple, guys. Literally just a break of structure and then the big the big, huge momentum candles with imbalances, and then mark my zone from the last candle, the big push. And initially, targets I'm targeting is the imbalances that we have left here. And now we look at USD and JP. Well, USD and JPY hasn't broken any structure yet. I'm still waiting for this pair to come down here, break this structure, and then retest it, and then I'll be looking to sell this as well to the downside. And my target would be the previous structure here. So I'll be keeping an eye on this during the week. Now let's look at gold. Well, gold is now coming up to the support and resistance. And what we're going to be looking at is a break of structure either to the upside, or when the gold comes here to the support and resistance zone, I'm going to be looking at gold rejecting from this zone here. Let's see, we're gonna have to wait this one out because we don't know. Gold could go either way. It could either go up or it could either go down. So we're gonna have to wait this one out for the week, for the next, on Monday when the market opens, to see what happens. At the moment, I'm staying away from gold until it gives me a clear indication and direction in order for me to either buy this to the upside or sell this to the downside. See, guys, this is just my ideas and my take on what these fare for the week ahead, and this is obviously no financial advice. This is just my analysis and my trading ideas that I'm sharing with you guys for the week ahead.